guys, there are many versions of this battery setup, but I ended up fixing this is a Greentime BMS that blew in the beginning of the year, and I ended up replacing the fets again. Except this time what I did is I soldered audio fuse right to the board, and I left the extra audio fuse there, so if it blows again, it won't leave me stranded. I can just take it out, drop it in there, and it bypasses the fets. So I figured I'd share that. It's a nice little setup. Straight to the board. Spare fuse. Later.